Yo, what's up, beautiful people? Welcome back to the channel. And today I'm gonna show you how to remove a linked account on Robinhood. All right, let's get right into it. And there are three kinds of accounts you can link, and I'm going to show you how to remove each of them. So for the first one, this is removing a linked bank account. The first thing you want to do is to open the Robinhood app or website, tap on the accounts or funding tab, then choose bank accounts option, then choose the bank account you want to remove, and confirm that you want to remove the account. And once that is done, the account will be removed. Now for the second one, which is removing a linked brokerage account, the first thing you want to do, of course, is to open the Robinhood app or log into the website, click or tab on accounts or funding tab, then choose transfer stock options, choose the brokerage account you want to remove, and confirm that you want to remove that account. And once that is done, the account will be removed. All good. Now for the third option, which is to remove a linked retirement account. So also what you want to do is to open the Robinhood app or log into the website, then tab or click on the accounts or funding tab, choose the retirement accounts, then choose the retirement account you want to remove, and confirm that you want to remove that account. Once that is done, the account is gone and you don't got to worry. Now there are some requirements. The first is to ensure that the account you want to remove has zero balance, otherwise you might end up losing everything you got there. So make sure the account has zero balance before you go ahead and do that. The second is to verify that there are no pending transactions or transfers associated with the accounts, because you're gonna end up having issues if you don't take note of that. Now for the third is removing a linked account must comply with relevant regulations such as anti-money laundering and know your customer requirements. So take note of these before you go ahead and remove the accounts. Now there are some other tips, and the first is to double check that you are removing the correct accounts. All right, it's not going to be pretty if you end up removing the wrong account. So always double check to make sure the account you're removing is the correct one. The second is to confirm that the account has a zero balance before removing it. Otherwise, as we said before, you're going to end up crying because you've lost your money forever. And the third is to reach out to Robinhood support if you encounter any issues when removing a linked account. So if for whatever reason you're trying to remove an account and you're not able to do that despite following all the steps, then just contact Robinhood support and they're going to help you sort that out. All right, so that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you found it useful. If you did, like the video, of course, and comment down below. Let me know what you thought. Share your thoughts on it, and share the video, of course, with your friends. And subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that already. And if you've done that, then mwah, love you so much. Please don't forget to ring that notification bell so you never miss another one of our updates on this awesome videos that you guys love so much. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.